Yeah, you know the story? Brother was so funny.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what the hell? It's not guys, look at that.
Nice. Maybe it's a drug addict.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. Stay there. No, I'm just gonna check. No. No, I'm just gonna check. Don't worry. Yeah, just stay there.
I know you are just.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, bro.
Just stay there, guys. Just go there, guys.
Why is the blood?
Just go there. Just go there.
Are you an alien? Why is the blood green?
I don't know.
Let's go there. Alien.
Alfred.
You think he's okay?
I don't know.
He's an alien. Wait, an alien beat him, so he turned into alien. Wait, I think I remember we need to run. Oh! Yes, I'm crazy, man. You can bro. Yes. Should run. Like, let's go. No! Oh! No! Flashbangs! Fight, we have to fight them off. I can't. My feet is broken. Be quiet. They can hear. Ah! Go! Take that! God! We can't keep running. Yo, let's just slap guy. Are you drunk? I want you to fight him. Fight him.
This was supposed to be a funny and tense video. So I hope you guys still enjoyed watching this episode. Anyway, this video is still not done yet. We will be watching the behind the scenes and videos we took before recording this episode.
Daddy, say hi to the camera. Say 6'7". Nilalap out to si Didi, oh. Oy, nilalap out nyo to si Didi, oh. Ha?
Do you think I am?
No. By the way, this video is produced by Thunderstorm. This what's happened on the school.
You better run.
For your information, this always happens. Say hi to the camera. Oh wait, he's high on weed. Don't worry, that's normal.
That's the zombie.
Ay, di mo. Meow, 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 meow. Ano ka na nakahaupo? Subukan nyo naman tumayo. At baka meow, meow, meow. At baka meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Behind the scenes.
They have the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
So, yeah. Behind the scenes. So guys, we were doing a movie and then sabi ni sir, "Lagi, schedule sa room."
Okay, bye.